Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a custom exception. So what a custom exception is? Custom exception is nothing, it's just an exception that is raised by a programmer or a designed by a programmer to make a better experience for a user to understand the code or a exception which is raised and why it is raised. Or another programmer which want to make some changes in the code to look the code even better than the regular exception. So let's just doesn't waste any more time and see it in practical day. So in this to show this example, I'm going to show a validation function, and in this validation function I'm going to raise an error. So let's just I'm going to validate a name of a user, and the name must be bigger than 8 characters. So let's just write name and greater than 8 and just raise there. Let's just raise an exception. In the most of the time, if a user don't know how to make a custom exception, we raise a very common error, which is value error, and return just name. So okay, so let's just validate George. So this gives a value error. So if a user is using a software and gets a value error, oh, he will think, what, why this error is coming? I don't know where. This might be a problem of a software. And in this case, you can raise a custom exception using name error, or we can say that size of name. Yeah, you can write any name, and you can write either value error, or you can say exception, which is the best option if you don't want to remember what type of exception is this, or you can't remember what exception to pass. So in this case, I'm just going to pass size of name and just like, no need to do anything. And to get an error, raise the exception size of name, and the user will get to understand that size of a name is not valid. That's the thing. You can also do we can say that just pass the name of a user which we have first, and just sorry, uh, okay, yeah, and just yeah. So size of a name George. Oh, that's just hard. So that's it for this video, and don't forget to like or subscribe, and meet you in the next video.